Well, I hear the train a-comin', it's rolling round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since, well, I don't know when.
How's it going, guys? So today we're doing a review, not a review, we're taking a look at the 2020 7 Series. So the new 7 Series, and this is a facelift version of the old 7 Series. So let's take a look here. We have a picture on our desktop. You can see, before I click into anything, a really good picture of it. And we're going to go ahead and jump over here, and BMW just put a video out of it. We'll go ahead and watch that. Let me see if I can make this go full screen. It's going to cover my face up, but that's cool.
Charlie Hotel, stand 1, request taxi.
Golf Charlie Hotel, taxi holding point, runway 24.
Tower, Golf Charlie Hotel is ready for departure.
Golf Charlie Hotel, hold position, due to weather, permission for takeoff denied.
Okay, it has a lot of the same similarities as the previous model, so we'll jump over to the specs here. I did notice they had the quilted interior on the armrest and on both armrests, on the door panel armrest and on the center console armrest. That's probably not going to hold up very good, but we won't judge. So we have a bunch more pictures here. Let me move myself out of the way. Let me move myself up here. And this gives you a better look. I figure I'll let you watch the whole video. It pisses me off when people interrupt videos when you're trying to watch it. So, in the rear, I mean, I don't know, it looks kind of like a Lincoln or something, right? It has the exhaust cutouts in the bumper. That's getting to be kind of commonplace these days. Wheels are okay, probably the standard 21-inch wheels. So they still have the same type shifter, the same iDrive setup as what most newer BMWs have. Look at all the buttons on the steering wheel though. That's quite a bit. And another change is the whole dash is also now just a screen instead of actual gauges the way it looks. So yeah, I was thinking the quilted material on this and on this is going to be the first to go. We're leaning on it all the time. Could be wrong though, you never know. Quilted on the rear seat. Look at the size of that center console in the rear. Man. Insane. I'm not a big... I don't like the monitors in the back of the headrest. I think it's kind of corny at this point. And monitors, they go out of date so fast. I mean, stuff changes so fast. You're not going to have this car very long. It's going to be out of date and looking old. What's going on here? So... front here, put myself right there. Got the laser headlights. The grills are just getting to be insanely huge. But it was kind of wrinkly looking there. I don't like that a lot. I like the quilted, but, you know, is it going to hold up over time? It depends on how it's made. Got power reclining rear seats. Look at that. That's a really nice car. So the issue is going to be here. Let me see here. And we got some specs to go along with it. There's not much out on this car to be able to tell. But the power plant is going to be the 4.4 liter V8. And this has to be the twin turbo one. A 523 horsepower and 553 foot-pounds of torque. And you could also get it in xDrive. So I'm wondering if they're going to make the 760 in this, or what they're going to make in it. So they have a plug-in hybrid, a 4-cylinder gas engine in favor of the 6-cylinder gas engine, along with electric motor. Generates 394 horsepower and 442 foot-pounds of torque. And has a bump of 72 horsepower up in the last model. That's in the hybrid model. So, okay, yeah, they do have the M760i. So they are going to make the 760 in this. And that carries a 6.6 liter V12. They went back to the V12. What's going on here with this? Jesus. QuickTime, what are you doing? What are you doing here? What are you doing in the QuickTime? Now you're gone? That seems legit. That seems completely legit. Stuff off my face, QuickTime. Jesus. Okay. So yeah, we have, I mean, it's pretty good specs. This car is, so the V12, let me back up a little. V12, the 6.6 liter, makes 600 horsepower and 627 foot-pounds of torque. That's a little much. I mean, you know, it's whatever. And it's got the 8-speed automatic transmission, and it's xDrive. That thing should be a rocket, but it's a really heavy car too, so, you know, who really knows? You get in a really big car, you get a lot of horsepower. It doesn't feel like a lot of horsepower because it has a lot of stuff to move. So yeah, I mean, just looking at here, I don't know if they show a price or not. iDrive 7.0. So the rear seat screens are 10-inch. I mean, that's kind of like a novelty at this point. And that's pretty much it. They don't say a horsepower or a price anywhere or nothing. I couldn't find a price anywhere online. Usually they're over $100,000 though. I mean, it's a nice looking car. That peanut butter leather holds up better than tan leather. Nothing worse than tan leather. But eventually that'll get dry looking and dirty. It's going to be hard to deal with it. Like I said, not as bad as tan, but, you know, I'm a fan of black leather. Black leather could be mistreated a lot. You can still get it back real easy. So it's going to be it, guys. And it doesn't even have a destination for it. They don't show a destination at all on any of this as far as what chassis it is. If it's still a G chassis or if it's transformed to something else. Nobody really knows. It's a little too early. And it says here the market launch on it will be March of 2019. So it's going to be a 2020 model. So I don't know, guys. That's going to be it for today's video. I just wanted to give you kind of a quick show of this new 7 Series. The 7 Series in the past have been kind of a blunder, I would say. They don't hold resale value well. They have too much electronics on them, where your average guy or your average BMW shop is going to struggle to keep it up. And a lot of your indie shops on the E65 chassis struggle to keep those up. You know, anything, even the newer one, I don't know the destination of it. It's just so much. And you expect a customer to pay to fix all that stuff. It's hard enough to fix all that stuff going wrong, you know, when there's no labor involved and you're finding stuff for good prices, let alone paying a shop to do it all. You know, I don't know. It's just one of those deals. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget, leave it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you later.